Hello, dear students. How are you? Today we are going to discuss EFT from class 9 and 10. And today we are discussing Unit 1, Lesson 2. So, our today's lesson, Unit 1, Lesson 2. And I am Muhammad Arifur Rahman with you. At first, I am going to read out the passage. So, look at the passage. And listen attentively. To be a good citizen, একজন ভালো নাগরিক হতে you have to prepare yourself. তোমার নিজেকে প্রস্তুত করতে হবে to do good work, ভালো কাজ করে in society সমাজে. Well, বেশ, then how can you prepare yourself? তুমি কিভাবে প্রস্তুত করতে পারো তোমার নিজেকে? First, প্রথমত you need knowledge. প্রথমত তোমার দরকার বা তোমার প্রয়োজন জ্ঞান. Today's society, আজকের সমাজ is dollar based, জ্ঞান নির্ভর. Without knowing modern sciences, আধুনিক বিজ্ঞান, technologies, প্রযুক্তি, including ICT সহ and other necessary subjects, অন্যান্য প্রয়োজনীয় বিষয়গুলো জানা ব্যতীত you will have difficulty, তুমি সমস্যায় পড়বে living a good life, একটা ভালো জীবনযাপন করতে. The other areas, অন্যান্য যে ক্ষেত্রগুলো আছে, as a good citizen, একজন ভালো নাগরিক হতে should have থাকা উচিত knowledge, জ্ঞান, এবং আর সেগুলো হচ্ছে our country, আমাদের দেশ, its constitution, এটার সংবিধান, geography and people, ভূগোল এবং লোকজন, our state, আমাদের রাষ্ট্র, its executive, এটা নির্বাহী, and legislative powers এবং আইন প্রণয়ন ক্ষমতা, our judicial system, আমাদের বিচার ব্যবস্থা, and next one, our government, আমাদের সরকার, and its structures, এটার গঠন and functions এবং অন্যান্য কার্যগুলি. Then our history, আমাদের ইতিহাস, cultures, সংস্কৃতি, traditions, ঐতিহ্য, literature, সাহিত্য, moral values, নৈতিক মূল্যবোধ, and religions, এবং ধর্ম. Our socio-economic activities, আমাদের আর্থসামাজিক কার্যাবলী, and educational system, এবং শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থা. সেকেন্ড, দ্বিতীয়ত, you need skills, তোমার দরকার দক্ষতা to do things, এগুলো করার জন্য. Knowledge is not enough, জ্ঞান যথেষ্ট নয়. You must be able, তোমাকে সমর্থ হতে হবে, যোগ্য হতে হবে to apply your knowledge, তোমার জ্ঞানকে প্রয়োগ করতে, to do things practically, এটা বাস্তবে প্রয়োগ করতে. Finally, সবশেষে, knowing and doing things, এগুলো জানা এবং করা will bring about a change, একটা পরিবর্তন নিয়ে আসবে in your behavior, তোমার আচরণে, towards others, অন্যদের প্রতি. This behavioral change, এই আচরণগত পরিবর্তন will show, দেখাবে your attitudes, তোমার দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি towards others, অন্যদের প্রতি. That is, it will show, যা তোমাকে দেখাবে how you think, তুমি কেমন মনে করো বা চিন্তা করো, and feel, এবং অনুভব করো about a person, একজন ব্যক্তি or thing, অথবা জিনিসগুলো নিয়ে. So dear students, you can see that I have marked with red colors some grammatical points. So you can learn grammar through literature. At first you can see that I have marked to be. So you can see after to you have to use verb in base form. So here at first we have got to be. So 2 plus verb in base form. And another to prepare. So it is also 2 plus verb in base form. And third one, to do. So it is also 2 plus verb in base form. So from now we can learn that after to we have to use verb in base form. And you can see without knowing, so without is a preposition. That's why after preposition, except to, you have to use verb plus ing. And in number 4, you can see I have marked will have. Will, verb in will. This is modal verb. So we have to use verb in this form. And I have marked should have. So should is also a modal verb. That's why we have to use verb in this form. And here you can see second you need skills to do things. So here also we can see to do. And next one to do. And finally, knowing and doing things will bring. So here we can also see that after will we have to use verb in this form. And then next sentence will show. And the last sentence we can see will show. So here we have learned after to verb in this form. After people except to, we have to use verb plus ing, and after modal verb, we have to use verb in this form. So we can learn grammar through literature. And now I have given you some words. And here you can see that structures, the Bengali meaning of structures, katamo, and synonym will be framework, and antonym shapeless. Then number two, moral, logic, synonym ethical, and antonym immoral. Enough, যথেষ্ট, and synonym will be sufficient, and antonym insufficient. And number four, apply, প্রয়োগ করা, synonym use, and antonym defy. And number five, knowledge, জ্ঞান, synonym awareness, and antonym ignorance. Ignorance means অজ্ঞতা. So look at the screen. Now we have some multiple choices. By reading the passage, you have learned many things. So at first, you need gap to be a good citizen. You need তোমার দরকার skill, দক্ষতা, wealth, সম্পদ, riches, ধন সম্পদ, treasure, this is also সম্পদ. So by reading the passage, you can see that the answer will be you need skill. So the answer will be skill. And in number two, one should have the quality, কারো থাকা উচিত যোগ্যতা বা গুণ to behave, আচরণ করতে democratically, গণতান্ত্রিকভাবে, partially, smartly, gently. So it will be democratically means গণতান্ত্রিকভাবে. And number three, we can see what is the synonym of the word knowledge. So in number one, ignorance, অজ্ঞতা, information, তথ্য, facts is also তথ্য, and awareness, সচেতনতা or জ্ঞান. So it will be awareness. So we have to write the answer, awareness. The next question. Doing good deeds in gap is a criteria of being a good citizen. So ভালো কিছু করা in gap, that means কোথায়? Abroad, বিদেশে, society, সমাজে, classroom, শ্রেণীতে, or family, পরিবারে. So absolutely the answer will be society. Now, number 8. Today, we live in a society based on আজকাল আমরা যে সমাজে বাস করি তা কিছুর উপর ভিত্তি করে money, wealth, knowledge, or power. By reading the passage, we can see the answer will be knowledge. The answer will be third one. Number F, what do you mean by skill? to be a good citizen, to have nice attitude, to do things, or to be able to apply knowledge. By reading the passage, we have learned the answer will be to be able to apply knowledge. So the answer will be 4. And last one, what is the synonym of the word? Enough. Enough means যথেষ্ট. So sufficient, the meaning of Bengali, যথেষ্ট, insufficient, অপর্যাপ্ত, inadequate, অপর্যাপ্ত, and want, অভাব. So it will be sufficient. So these are the strategies to answer multiple choice. At first, you have to know some vocabs, and you have to know the Bengali meaning of the sentence. So now, go to the number 2. Why will we prepare ourselves? আমরা কেন আমাদের নিজেদেরকে প্রস্তুত করব? So at first, subject we, you have to write we, then auxiliary verb will, and we will prepare ourselves. You have to write, we will prepare ourselves. We will prepare ourselves, and then go to the passage. So read out. To be a good citizen, you have to prepare yourself to do good work in society. The answer will be to do, or you can use for doing. So we have to write. To do good work in society. Number B, how will one live a good life? So here subject 1. And then auxiliary verb will. And then verb. And other verbs. So one will live a good life. So here we have by, because we have how, we have to use by. And from the passage, we can see. Here we have the sentence in number 3. Without knowing modern sciences, technologies, including ICT and other necessary subjects. So you have to write. I have written by, so by is a preposition. That's why verb plus ing. You have to use verb plus ing. So one will live a good life by knowing modern sciences, technologies, including ICT and other necessary subjects. Now go to number C. Why must one apply knowledge? So first subject 1, then auxiliary verb, we have must, then verb in base form apply, knowledge, and go to the passage. Why must? So read out the line. Second, you need skills to do things. Knowledge is not enough. You must be able to apply. Here, to apply your knowledge to do things practically. বাস্তবে কিছু করতে। Then number D, what does one need for doing things? What does one need? In the previous class, you learned after the discussion when you will get does, then you have to use S or yes after main verb. So it will be one needs. So what one needs? One needs skill. Then you have to write the other part for doing things. That's all. Number E, how can a man change his behavior towards others? So at first subject, a man, then auxiliary verb, we have can, then main verb and other verbs. So man can change his behavior towards others. We have how, so we have to use by. And let's go to the passage. And you can see, finally, knowing and doing things will bring about a change in your behavior. So we have to write knowing and doing things. And we have also written by. That's why after preposition, you have to use verb plus ing. So these are the strategies to answer WH questions or questioning answer. At first, we have to arrange the question, and then you have to write the answer from the passage. So that's all. We have already finished our lesson, and I am giving you some exercises. You have to do it. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Best of luck.